Mustang still here. We got it actually on its tires right now. Well, these are just some spare tires that we put on here so we can have this thing move around. But yeah, but it's on. We also cut this out. If you can tell, this is all, it looks brand new, and this is what the original piece looked like right over here. The reason why we cut it is because of this right here. So if you guys see that, so cut all that out. You can see also the car was in a front end collision. Nothing too bad, just a little minor. So it bent some of that stuff up, so we pulled it out. Also, the bumper wasn't even held on the driver's side, so we had to fix that. Go in there. I can't see it now, but because we got it all put together, but we had to go in here, cut this out, and fix the bracket that holds the bumper. So we had to bend those tabs back and then tack weld it. So that got put together, and then over here you can kind of see, we're gonna get this cleaned up right here, but got that cleaned up, put this new one in. Can't even tell, these look all original, like spot welds from the factory, so all that looks good. It's all clean. It just needs to be pressure washed. We'll scuff it up and then we'll paint the engine bay, get it all done up, and go from there.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.